everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious, Learning and Living. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. This is also a Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. I will have her channel linked down below in the description box along with the playlist because a bunch of other content creators get together every Tuesday to share cleaning motivation, a small task around your house to freshen up your space, to help you make progress for your week, and give you the motivation you need to tackle your to-do list. So I'll have the playlist linked down below, and I'm going to be tackling my dining room table because we use this table on a regular basis for activities, homeschool, eating, of course, and it just piles up with stuff, so I'm tackling it. I hope you get the Christmas vibes in the background as I'm cleaning, and let's get right into the cleaning.
Bright star atop a lighted tree, all wrapped up underneath, gifts in every shape and size. Toys aren't the only reason we celebrate the season. Christmas morning comes, opening beckoned from the east, all wrapped up underneath God's gift of love and light. A babe who would change the world for every man and woman, boy and girl, shining through the darkest night.
So I am just finishing up wiping the table down. This area is definitely a catch-all, but we're honestly crafting and doing homeschool here and obviously eating. So I feel like this is the area that I clean the most on a regular basis, and it's always so refreshing to get it back in order and get it clean. So that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join me here, and definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.